Hi guys, welcome to another one of my videos. Today I'm going to show you how to change the color of your shirt, just like this. Blue, yellow, red, orange, white. That's as easy as that. So if you'd like to know how to do it, please stay tuned. So the first thing we're going to need to do is to take an initial video of the subject. Now make sure the subject is wearing green like I have on here, or you can also use blue, because green and blue are the two preferred colors for using Chroma Key, and that's what we're going to use on the computer right now. So let's head over to the computer and I'll show you how to Chroma Key the different colors for the shirts. Hi guys, so here we are on the computer. The first thing we need to do is open our copy of Vegas. And here it is. Here I'm running version 14.0, but this will work on anything after, obviously, and many more before. So what we firstly need to do is we need to import our video into the timeline. So let's just find the video and drag that into the timeline. And this is the video that I have prepared. Hi guys, welcome to another one of my videos. Today I'm going to show you how to change the color of your shirt, just like this. Blue, yellow, red, orange, white. That's as easy as that. So if you'd like to know how to do it, please stay tuned. So there we are with the video. What we'll do firstly is we'll make it a little bit larger. So we just push the up arrow and that will stretch out the frames so it's easier to manage. And we'll need to insert a new video track, and then we need to copy this up there. So now we have two copies of this original track, and we will, while at this stage, we'll insert another video track between the two. So this is our main one we took. This is the copy. So what we will do, we will take the copy and we will use Chroma Key. So we'll go to our video event FX and we'll open Chroma Key. There it is, Vegas Chroma Key. Double click on that and OK. So now we need to establish which color we're going to take out of the picture, and in this case it's going to be the green. So let's go to the green and let's pick a green color. That's not too bad there. We'll try that one, and we need to see what's going on firstly. So let's just go to this this picture here. We'll mask this picture here. Bear with me, please. We'll just mute this one. So all we have is our picture up top here. So let's go back to the effects, and we're now going to try and make everything white except for my shirt. So that's not too bad there. Just, yep, take that out. Okay, 728, and let's just adjust this here. So there, that's the colour that's going to disappear. What's in black will disappear. So let me now highlight this other one. So we've got both copies on now. So the shirt is actually clear on this top layer. So now we need to go to media generators, and we'll get a solid color, and we'll use a red to start with. So we're now going to put the red in, and if I click over here, you'll see that shirt actually turns red because of this red color. We'll do some timing in a minute, but let's just see how this goes first. So there's red, but it just looks like a red t-shirt. So what we need to do is we need to fade this down a little bit, make it a little bit transparent. Not that one. Make this one a little bit transparent, so we can actually see the creases in the shirt. Okay, so let's now do some timing. Okay, so there's the click on blue. Just run it back bit by bit. We're going to turn this one to blue, aren't we? Blue. 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 So there's the blue shirt. Let's just come back to where it said blue. Just move that up, I can see the actual talking here on this timeline. So there's the talking on the timeline. Just make it a bit bigger so we can see the exact timing on it. So the click is when it actually changes. There's the click there. And now we'll duplicate this here. Copy, create a copy, and we need to change this one to yellow. Yellow. And that should also be a yellow one. There it is there. Blue, yellow. So on the click is there. Copy that one to there. We're changing this one now to red. So we go to change the colour here to red. Red. Next one is orange. There's a nice orange, I guess. Oops, wrong way around. Cut that and put it in here where the red one's supposed to go. And then orange is supposed to go there. And I believe the next one is white. So let's just make another copy there. Copy and change that one to white. Pure white. Okay, now we need to do some timing. So let's just go back to the beginning. So on the click is blue. Not quite there. There. Let's see how the timing goes. Perfect, almost, except for that white one. Just move that up to the click, and the white can come in there, and then the white actually finishes on that click down there. You can see that one there. So let's just see how that goes. Okay guys, so you can spend a little bit more time on the Chroma Key in the video effects, and you can just adjust this layer backwards and forwards depending on what you think. So we'll just go through now and have a look at how it looks. Hi guys, welcome to another one of my videos. Today I'm going to show you how to change the colour of your shirt, just like this. Blue, yellow, red, orange, white. That's as easy as that. So if you'd like to know how to do it, please stay tuned. So guys, all we need to do now is to render the video. Go to File, Render As, and you render it in the format you wish. I use WMV, but you might choose to use MP4. I just find this is a better quality, 6.4 megabits per second, 1080 24p video. So guys, give it a try, have a bit of a play, and practice makes perfect. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and don't forget to click the bell for notifications of when I upload new videos. And once again, we'll catch you in the next video. Bye for now.